The iPhone 17 Pro Max is poised to be Apple's most advanced and refined smartphone to date, continuing the company's legacy of pushing the boundaries of mobile technology. Expected to launch in the fall of 2025, it's rumored to feature a dramatically thinner and lighter design, thanks to a re-engineered titanium frame and improved internal layout. Apple may also debut a truly edge-to-edge display with under-display Face ID and potentially even a hidden front camera, finally eliminating the need for any visible notch or dynamic island. The display itself will likely be a next-gen promotion OLED panel with even higher brightness, better power efficiency, and smoother refresh rates, perfect for gaming, HDR content, and everyday use. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely be powered by the all-new A19 Pro chip, built on an advanced 2nm process, offering huge leaps in speed, machine learning capabilities, and battery efficiency. This could translate into significantly better performance in multitasking, mobile gaming, and AI-powered features, such as real-time language translation, on-device Siri enhancements, and smarter photography. Speaking of photography, Apple is rumored to be doubling down on camera innovation with this model. The rear camera array might include an upgraded periscope telephoto lens with up to 10x optical zoom, along with improved low-light performance and advanced AI photography tools that allow for DSLR-like control and editing. Video capabilities may also reach new heights with ProRes 8K support, cinematic mode improvements, and more manual controls for content creators. On the software side, iOS 19 is expected to introduce deeper customization options, smarter widgets, and even more integration with Apple Intelligence, Apple's AI system that could power predictive text, proactive suggestions, and enhanced productivity features. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is also expected to continue Apple's environmental focus with more recycled materials and a more energy-efficient design. In terms of connectivity, Apple may further expand satellite communication features, possibly allowing for basic messaging or emergency updates even without a cellular signal. Wi-Fi 7 and enhanced 5G capabilities will ensure the fastest possible speeds for streaming, gaming, and downloading on the go. With all of these rumored features coming together, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a smartphone. It's a powerful, portable computer, camera, and communication hub that could set the bar for flagship devices in 2025 and beyond.